I'm not allowed to take pictures in the church. So I'm outside in the hallway. This is a mortar shell. And I just want to put my hand, that's the size of a mortar shell there. Right, I need to go now. Just but as I say, I'm not allowed to take pictures in the church. So, sorry, we can't go in there. We're back outside. We're outside. We're actually outside Derry's courthouse. So that's where that is. Right, I think what we'll do is go further down the wall, see what we can see. And you'll have to excuse my my commentary. I'm not used to doing this. Hopefully in time I will get to do more documentary films and go to different places and do some shoot some film. At the moment, as I say, I'm not used to this. It's a brand new camera. I'm just testing it out at the moment. So but I'd like to show you places that I'm actually going seeing right now, so that's why I've decided to do this. So I'm going to pause this and go further down the wall, see if we can see something else. But the last look at the church here. Right, so I'll see you further down the wall here.